In the end of this video, I discuss some higher order functions that will help you reduce a lot of Python code. So before that, let's get our top 3 Python functions. Okay, so the first one is Islice. Now, Islice can be used from the itertools model. Islice returns selected elements from an iterable. If you have a list or if you have any other iterable, Islice helps you get selected or the items of interest from that iterable. Alright, so iterable takes 3 arguments: start, index, an end index, and a step. So let's see how we can do this in some code. Okay, first we import iterrules, and then let's say we have a data list like this. Okay, now this is as you can see here, we use islice like this, itertools.islice, and then we pass the iterator, and then we pass the start index, the end index, and the step. Similarly, we can also pass a start index and an end index only, and we can also pass a end index only. Alright, so let's print and see what these things have. Okay, so first I'll just run these commands. Okay, as you can see here, if we print this, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we start at 0, that is 1, right? So 1 is printed. We go till 9, that is the end last index, and we take a step of 2. Alright, so we start here, and then we go to 1, 2, and we have 3 here. And here we take a step of 2 again, 1, 2, and we have 5 here. And we take a step of 2 again, 1, 2, we have 7, and similarly we have 9. So here we have used all 4 parameters. Okay, now in slice 2 we have just the start and end, so it is exactly the same because the step is 0 or step is 1, not 0, and we have taken all the elements from 0 to 9. Alright, so in slice 3 we have the data list, and we have only taken data till the 5th index, so that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The one thing you have noticed is in the start index, 0th is included. Alright, but if we only give 5, that means index 5 will not be included. We will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so similarly here, if we pass 9, the last element 10 is not included. Okay, so the next function is isinstance. Isinstance is very helpful if you want to check a specific two specific objects are of the same type or not. Now isinstance function returns true if the specified object is of specified type, otherwise it returns false. So let's see some code. Okay, here we have a list, right? So we can check if this numbers is of the instance list. It returns true because numbers is a list. Now if we check numbers is float or not, it returns false. Now the good thing is we can check this numbers object against a lot of data types. So if we say it is float, int, or bool, it is none of this. So if we run this, it will return. Okay, just a moment guys, let me execute all these things. It will return false. But if we add a list here, it will now return true. So our numbers is one of these things, that is the list. Okay, now let's move on to our last function, that is the zip function. The zip function is very useful, that's why it is in the end. Zip takes 2 iterables. Now the iterator generates a series of tuples containing elements from each iterable. Zip can accept any type of iterable such as files, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and so on. So here we have 2 very practical things. One is a products list and one is a price list. Now let's say we want to combine these 2 things in a tuple. So how do we do that? We can just say product prices are zip products and prices, zip products with prices. So what is returned here? Now if we convert this into a dictionary, as you can see, if I run these things, you can see here, very helpful. Table is 50 rupees or 50 whatever dollars, chair is 20 units, sofa is 200, bed is 150, and lamp is 10. So now we have paired or zipped our products with our prices. That is the use of zip. Alright, now we are here to our top higher order functions. Now higher order functions are functions that can take functions as an argument. So we have map, reduce, and filter. Now these 3 are very helpful guys. I highly suggest you go through these if you have not already. You can find this a link here somewhere in the top right, and go ahead and check out these things. I'm sure this will help you. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. Till next time, peace out.